Show the new grad how proud you are with Confection Couture's Graduation Cookie Confection Collection. The cap from the plastic bottle with dropper fits perfectly on your bottle of Amerimist Airbrush Food Coloring. Load the first color into the AirGenie Airbrush tool. A large measuring cup is useful for holding a second airbrush tool upright for easy loading and access. Use the stencil genie to hold the stencil over the cookie and use magnets to hold it flat over the cookie surface. Before starting, be sure to test the airbrush airflow on a blank wad of white paper towel. Use a large needle or chopstick to hold down portions of the stencil that are not flat against the cookie. Apply the food coloring in light, even coats. Lift and rotate the stencil genie with stencil in order to create the plaid look of the cookie border. Now you are ready to switch colors and add a silvery sheen to the cookie surface. Next, use the quadrant masking tool to protect areas of the cookie from unwanted overspray. Repeat this step for other stencil elements. Using this technique with the other included stencils allows you to make a variety of cookie designs. For more intricate designs, use Glad Press and Seal for masking. The Gyro Cut Craft and Hobby Cutting Tool is perfect for trimming smaller design elements. Confection Couture's Graduation Cookie Confection Collection will make your graduation celebration a sweet memory for everyone.